Hello everyone, you're on HMJ Study channel and here we'll study the laws of indices. So the first law says a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n will be equal to a raised to m plus n. It means when the base are common and there is multiplication in between, so their powers will be added. For example, a raised to 2 multiplied by a raised to 3. Suppose this is the question, it will be a raised to. See, the base are equal. There is multiplication sign in between, so their powers will be added. So a raised to 2 plus 3. It will become a raised to 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. So this is the first law of indice. Now let's go for second one. Second says a raised to m divided by a raised to n will be equal to a raised to m minus n. It means when the base are common and there is division sign in between, the powers will be minus will be deducted. For example, a raised to 5 divided by a raised to 2. See what will be the answer. Here the bases are common, so I'll write the base once. There is division sign in between, so their powers will be deducted. It means 5 minus 2. How much will it be? A raised to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Okay, so a raised to 3. Then third one, a into b bracket raised to m will be equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. It means, see how, a into b, if the bracket's power is 2, it will be, the a's power will be 2 multiplied by b's power will be 2. It means this power belongs to both the numbers. The next rule, fourth one, if any number's power is 0, it will be equal to 1. For example, 9 raised to 0 will be equal to 1. Then fifth one, a raised to minus m will be equal to 1 upon a raised to m. It means if some number's power is in negative form, and if you wish to bring it to the positive form, you have to write the base into denominators so that you can make the power as positive. For example, a raised to minus 2. See, here I want to make this minus 2 as plus 2. What should I do? I'll write this a in denominator so that in this minus 2 will become plus 2. That means 2. So 1 can be written in numerator. It means a raised to minus 2 will be equal to 1 upon a raised to 2. So let's move for sixth one rule. Here you can see a raised to m and bracket raised to n. There are two powers. So it will be, the two powers will be multiplied here. A raised to m into n. See, we'll see the example. A raised to 2 and bracket raised to 3. It will be a raised to 2 into 3. It means a raised to 2 3s are 6. Okay. It means if base is given with two powers, that two powers will be multiplied. Let's move for next one, seventh one. Here you can see a upon b bracket raised to m. So that m means the power belongs to numerator and denominator. That means a and b both. For example, a upon b bracket raised to 2. It will be, this power will be of a and b both. So a raised to 2 upon b raised to 2. Okay. Next, and the last one, this is a upon b bracket raised to minus m will be equal to, here minus m, we wish to convert this minus m into plus m, so we have to bring this a upon b as b upon a, so that the power will be in positive form. For example, a upon b bracket raised to minus 2, so it will be b upon a bracket raised to 2. Okay, so repeat this once so that you can understand the rules of indices easily. Here the rules are brought together so that you can revise it once. Thank you.